Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
US Guard ubalong Joint Secretary Katnat Ministry of Home Affairs Northeast kasorkar pedeng minta kasngi ulawan poi hanong ba shilong ban yakendu kerpang ikinong mikmat na kilaitli District Council ke jela bat yaki kenhun seng bhalang ba pher na kabentaban pan Jingmut Halor ke jingtorwa kasorkar pedeng ban wanra ya ka Jingpynbeit thamai ya ka 6 schedule jong kariti sensyar kari India kani ke jingtorwa kasorkar pedeng ban Jingpynbeit thamai ya ka 6 schedule kalong hadian ke jingasoy ya ka sekolar bat ka sangking ater ANVC bat ANVCB na rilum garo kibala dawaban kentiu ya ka jington kisit haki Autonomous District Council na ka laipho syaka saupo US Guard ha ka jinga kren bakila pathai kubor ulaong ba ka Ministry of Home Affairs kan up ya ka Jingmut na ka sarkar Meghalaya ondaladap ka jinga kren bakinong mikmat na ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council bat na ki kenhuan ba pher bat kentup ru na ki kle nong sensyar shnong.
And as you know, the entire Meghalaya is part of the 6th schedule minus Shillong. So whatever the suggestions had come from the government of Meghalaya, we wanted to be very short what exactly is meant by every rule and sub-rule. So because there were some different opinions from other councils, so we wanted to discuss. So we have discussed and we could finalize virtually most of the things, and we could discover that there's a lot of common ground apart from some, of course, different opinion, which is based on local variations and all this thing. So we'll take all this discussion back to our ministry, and we hope that we'll be able to finalize the amendment to the 6th schedule soon.
Nakaliang uba pinchingan NCM Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ha ka jinga kran bikila pathai kubor blokan tu ya ka sarkar bahkan khot ikran lang dakawe ka Jingmut bat kinong mikmat jong ki lightly ki Autonomous District Council khanang ba ka Jingmut na ka jela Meghalaya Halor ka Jingpynbeit thamai ka 6 schedule jong riti sensyar kari India kan long tangkawe.
We are very thankful. It is a very fruitful meeting. We discussed on the same proposal as proposed by the Home Ministry. I think you all know about the different proposal made by the Home Ministry. Number one is to increase the number of seats in the 3 respective district council, Garhil, Tenjel, Sana, Khasi Autonomous District Council, where it will become 40 members, where 35 will be elected and 5 will be nominated. That we are agreed. About all we discussed today, it also depends on the cabinet. To be discussed in the cabinet. I already told the Deputy Chief Minister that before finalization of the proposed amendment given by the state government, it should be invited us so that all we discussed today should be incorporated in the state government views to the central government. Number two, we are discussed also about the Article 280. I think you understand that Article 280 as of now it applied only on the municipal bodies and the unchecked bodies. But as of now, we are outside the purview of the Article 280. Article 280 will be brought in the 6th schedule so that we can be funded by the Central Finance Commission. That is number one. We will have a district council level planning board where we can prepare the 5-year plan or 1-year plans to the State Finance Commission. We also request that at least 2 members in the State Finance Commission should be from the district council, so that our proposal from the district council level will be taken into confidence during the sitting of the State Finance Commission. There are so many issues we are discussed. We also discuss about on the report of the governor from time to time to the president. At the same time, the president at any time can give any direction for extension of administration on some administrative area. On this part, we are against. We already told that the present paragraph 14 should not be amended. Because as per paragraph 14, that means the governor, along with the state government, he can make a commission on the part of if the council have some irregularities. There are the few issues that we are discussed. But we also discuss about the village council. Instead of village council, we should be known as village dorbar. So that in the part of the electorates or to be prepared, that will be left to the district council as per custom, as per tradition practices of the district council. As per our discussion today, it seems that it should depend on the district council how to make rules on the part of village dorbar or ilaka hima, what we call, as we call. This also will be included in the rules. But In the conclusion, we already told the Deputy Chief Minister that before finalization, sending to the Home Ministry, we as the stakeholders should be invited so that it should be with one collective opinions.